Hey guys, welcome back to this third part of this fully automated print-on-demand series using automations, AI, Make.com, and I'm going to teach you how to make money online using all of these tools together. In the first couple of videos, I've already shown you how you can make artwork, slogans, and how you can auto-publish all of that. And in this video, I'm going to give you your creative freedom back and not just rely on AI for everything, just on the parts which are annoying, like titles, descriptions, uploading, uploading to different marketplaces, all of that. I'm going to show you how you can do that on autopilot. How we do that is, imagine you were to design something in Canva and you download your file from Canva. So that could be a JPEG, a PNG, whatever you want to have, rename that file and then just drop it into a folder and then let AI and automation do the rest. So it's going to create a title, a description, a price. It's going to upload it to your Printify account, to your Shopify store, Etsy, Amazon, all of the rest. There's just too much to remember. You could either follow along step by step, or you could comment the word POD, just the word POD below. And then I'll send you the link to our learning platform within the next 15 minutes. From there, you can just simply download all the files related to our print-on-demand automations and many more, so social media automations, etc., etc. And you can just simply upload them into your Make.com account. So without further ado, let's get into this build. I'm using Dropbox, and in Dropbox, I'm watching for files in a specific folder. And once there is a file in a specific folder, like this one, I'm just going to drop it into my folder. So it's running the automation right now. And what it does, it's going to create a shareable link from that file. Then it's going to create a title based on the title of that PNG. Then it's going to create a description. It's going to upload that image. It's going to create a product, and then it's going to publish it straight onto your Printify store. Why would I want to do this? Well, you know, these parts, like the title creation, those are quite time consuming. Creating the prices, uploading it to Printify itself, and then pushing it onto other marketplaces, those things are just very time consuming. And with an automation like this, it just eliminates all that time that you have to spend on it. So I've got a version here for a Dropbox. It's a Dropbox version, and I also have a Google Drive version. They do exactly the same. There's one more module in this one. They do exactly the same as each other. So watch for a file in a certain folder. Now, I'm just going to take you through the Dropbox version. So what this one says, first of all, I'm just going to open it. I'm going to open it, and it's watching for a certain folder. And remember the one I just showed you? If I drop anything in here, it will find that file, and based on that file name, it will create a title. So if you are in your Canva or Photoshop and you save it, well, that's going to be the prompt. So in this case, I've called in an avocado running on a treadmill, and I've said share. Then I said download, and I'm saying page number 1, transparent background as a PNG. That's how I do it. And then it puts it straight into my download folder, and then I manually put it into this one. You could take out this step and have the whole thing run automatic. That's all up to you. I'm just showing you the function of what this Dropbox or Google Drive automation can do for you. So once I've created the artwork, I can put it in that folder, and I need to create a share link. Dropbox does not have by itself have a shareable link. So here's the link. You can see it doesn't have an HTTPS in front of it, and it needs that to be able to share it. So that's why you share a link like this. And what I do, I map from here that lower path. So that's that path without the HTTPS in front of it. That's the only thing I'm mapping. And what the outcome will be from there is that it will turn this lower path into an HTTPS shareable link. So let's just open that, and you'll see there's the original image with a transparent background. So that's what you have to do. After that, it's going to create a title. So first of all, I'm going to talk to the system. I'm using GPT-4o Mini System. That's the cheapest one out there right now for little tasks like this. You are a kick-ass name creator for clothing products. Yep, so that's what I called it. Create a wicked title based on the following, and then it's grabbing the original name from the original file. So that was this one, the avocado running on a treadmill. So I've mapped that by going to the original folder or to the original module and saying name. Remember to give back only the title without any further context around it. Do not include quotation marks. Sometimes even then it still does, so always check it. Okay, so after that, I've created my title. After that, I'm going to create a description. And it's just like any of the other print-on-demand automations that we have. It's literally the same process from now on. You are an e-com expert who knows to write descriptions for web shops. Write a description based on the title. So then I'm grabbing the result from here. And the result from this one was Avocado Fitness Frenzy, the treadmill triumph. That's the result that I'm trying to map. So based on that original title, we'll write a description for this for this product. Then it's going to upload that product. So just like the previous automations, it will upload the name. So let me zoom out for you. It will upload the original name from the shared link, and then it will grab that original shared linked URL from here. And then from after that, it's going to say, I'm going to create a product. And this is just like any of the other ones. So in this case, I've got a small, medium, a large, and an extra large t-shirt, and I'm printing on the front. The only variation I have on this one is that I'm also mapping my company logo on this. So I'm putting the only variation we have on this one is that we also have our little brand name saying I talk to robots. I know avocados running on treadmills have nothing to do with I talk to robots. It's just a pure hypothetical example. So we've mapped a second image here just to put our brand name on the chest. So the positions here are, it goes 0.5 on the x-axis, 0.5 on the y-axis, and the scale is 1. And the reason I am doing that, my file in Canva is 4500 wide and 5100 pixels tall. So anything within there, I know it's 100%. This from this corner here, this corner until this corner, that's going to be seen as 100%. So I know I can just leave my mapping at scale 1. If I were to put that on 1.1, it might cut off the head here, just a little bit of the head. So just keep it at 1. That's the easiest. If you want to alter your scale, do that within your Canva design. That's how I personally would do it. Always just play around with the scale before you start bulk creating stuff. So after it's done this, it will create the product. After it's created the product, it's going to publish the product. So it's going to push it straight into a Shopify store. It's going to push it into Etsy, onto Google Shopping, and into Amazon. Into Amazon. So you can buy this shirt on Amazon as a print-on-demand product. So this is this is how it works. I personally use this for one-off custom work that we want to do. It just saves you so much time of uploading, creating titles, descriptions, all of that stuff that you don't really want to be bothered about. So for the people in our community, you will get this Dropbox file and you will also get the Google Drive file. Both do exactly the same. It's just whichever one you prefer. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye-bye.